Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent Windows 10 from downloading Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the search menu, type in regedit, best match, should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select yes. And now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I recommend naming the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you would do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. And now we're ready to begin. So start by double clicking on the HKey local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Go down to policies and double click on it. And same thing for Microsoft. And now double click on the Windows folder. And you want to locate something that says Windows Update. If you don't see it in here, you're going to have to just go ahead and right click on the Windows folder. Select New and then Key. Name this key Windows Update. And please note, if you need to pause the video and take note of our file path, it's up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is a different sub key we've gone under to get here. And just note that that final Windows update, we just created that one right here. So anyway, on the right side, now that we've selected Windows Update, on the right side, right click in a blank area, select New, and select the DWORD 32-bit value. And you want to name this value target release version. First letter of each word should be capitalized here. And you're going to go ahead and hit enter and double click on it. And you want to change the value data in here to the number 1 and select OK. And now underneath of this DWORD value, right click in a blank area, select new and select string value. And you want to name this target release version info, exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter, and you double click on it, and you'll set the number in here to whatever your current or target Windows 10 version is. So you may have to open up the search menu and type in about, best match to say about your PC, open that up, and it should tell you what version of Windows you are running, version 21H2 in my case, but you'll have whatever version you don't want to upgrade from, so just keep whatever this number is, and you would put it into this value data field, and you would select OK, and then you would need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect, and that should hopefully be about it. So again, go ahead and restart your device. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.